It started with a simple teapot. But nothing was simple after that.
Let's go back to Sunday morning. A beautiful, sunny day.
What a perfect morning. I'm so ready for today. Flea market, here I come. Chattering and laughing. Look at all these old things. I gotta find something special. My eyes miss nothing. Creepy dolls? No thanks. Rusty knives? Not today. Wait a minute. What's that over there?
An old lady was selling random things. Her table was very messy.
That brass teapot is so beautiful. I can't look away from it. I have to take a closer look. It looks like magic.
It's a perfect masterpiece. The details are amazing.
It feels heavy and warm. I don't want to put it down.
She's the chosen one. Take it, my dear.
I'll take this, please. Here's the money. Have fun with it. She knew exactly what would happen. All right, little teapot. Let's see what you can do. Just some green tea leaves and hot water. Everything seems completely normal. Time to pour the tea! I'm so excited! Wait a minute. Why is the tea pink? This makes no sense. Did I buy magic tea leaves? Am I going crazy? Is this a dream?
The teapot stayed perfectly still, as if nothing weird just happened.
Let's see how it smells. Oh my God. It smells so sweet. Like candy at a carnival. Here goes nothing. Just a tiny sip. Oh my goodness! Cotton candy! Green tea leaves, boiling water, pink tea, cotton candy flavor. What's going on? Tom! Anna! Come here right now!
We're coming, Mom! Ah! Wait for me, Tom! What happened? Is there a fire? Why are you yelling?
I need my 2 bravest assistants. Are you guys ready?
Ready for what? Is it about that teapot? We're always ready, Captain Mom. Yes, sir. Whoa, it's purple like a sunset. Mom, will I get poisoned if I drink this? Drink it, my brave warrior. I hope this doesn't kill me. Gulps deeply. Strawberry ice cream. Mom, this tastes exactly like strawberry ice cream. Hey, leave some for me. My turn. It's my turn.
Here you go, Anna. Wow, mine is bright orange.
Oh my goodness! Chocolate cake! Mom, this is liquid chocolate cake. It's so yummy. Mom, this teapot is the greatest invention in the universe.
I totally agree.
This is unbelievable. We found a magical treasure. Whoa, look at it. It's glowing. Magical.
The teapot stayed shiny and quiet, full of endless magical flavors.
Morning, everyone. What a peaceful Sunday.
What the heck is going on here? Why are you all staring at that teapot?
Nick, this teapot is magical. Pink tea is cotton candy, purple is strawberry ice cream.
And orange tea tastes like chocolate cake. She's telling the truth, Dad.
Emma, honey, magic doesn't exist in real life. It is just a normal old piece of metal.
Dad, I swear I tasted strawberry.
Fine, Nick, you try it yourself. Pour it, taste it, and then you can talk.
All right, challenge accepted. I'll show you this is just normal green tea. Watch carefully, my dear family. There's no such thing as magic.
Wait, why is it that color?
Look at it, Nick.
No way. What is that? Ew, dark green. That looks really bad. Dark green? So what? It's just strong tea. Nothing strange about it. Here goes nothing.
Let's see what happens. I hope it tastes good.
Oh my God, what is this? Don't move.
Nick, are you okay?
Ugh, I'm fine. Emma, this liquid tastes exactly like my unwashed dirty socks.
That's so disgusting. Oh, God. That's awful. Get away. I'm gonna be sick. I can't even smell that.
Magic is real. And it hates me.
I can't stop laughing. The magic teapot punished you with the worst flavor ever. Just because you didn't believe.
All right, I believe now. I totally believe it, okay?
After today's crazy adventure, I think it's time to put you away.
I'll keep this magic teapot safely in the cabinet. Stay right there.
Good. Lock it in there. Forever.
Mom, please, can we play with the teapot again next weekend? Yeah, strawberry again. Purple. I love the purple one. We'll see, my little ones.
Maybe. But we have to wait until your dad is. R.E. Eddie.
I will never be ready. Keep that thing away from me.
Now it's your turn, guys. If you found this teapot, what flavor would you want?
I choose cheeseburger flavor. I want a sparkling rainbow flavor.
Any flavor is fine. Just N not T, the dirty socks flavor.
The brass teapot rests quietly in the cabinet,
Waiting for its next victim.